use look at it. So this is black color. There are different colors available. We have white, we have white, gray, light, marble. Look at them. Packaging is lit. Comes with a manual, flame diffuser user manual. There is the charger with it. There is a remote, so you can stay wherever you want. Oh my god, the black is giving. This black is everything, guys. This black is everything. Come on, look at the quality. I don't sell rubbish. Yeah, all look at just you seeing this, you already know that this is giving. Let's see how it comes. So this is empty, where you have to fill your water. So you see where you have the maximum water level. Your water shouldn't pass it. So while you're putting your water, you have to gauge it. And then it has different fragrance oil. So guys, you want to make sure that you properly connected your device. So this is where to connect it. This is a charger, and plug it in. Okay. So you can find that it has a remote to it. This particular diffuser has 7 different colors, more than 7. You know, it's changing blue. You can make it whatever you want, guys. Look at this beauty. How I wish phone could absorb these amazing scents right here, guys. You would rush to buy this right away. This flame is getting bigger. So this is a night version. When you switch off all your lights, this is what it's giving.